Hello everyone, InfoSec Gaurang here, and in this video I'll be showing you some of the challenges I solved in UTCTF 2021, and this was one of the coolest beginner-friendly CTF I've played. Okay, a bit about the halftime survey. I didn't play the CTF after the halftime because I was busy solving the other three CTF, that is NahamCon, VishwaCTF and a DVCTF. But I made sure that I solved this post CTF because I wanted the organizers to know that this CTF was very good and the quality of challenges were epic. Cool. So like after solving the halftime survey, you'll be greeted by this flag. You can just copy paste it. Oh, I forgot to tell you which all challenges I will be solving. First one is miscellaneous, and then emoji encryption. In the web category, we have Oinker, SourceIt, and Cutest cookie. The beginner, we have the halftime survey, run ELF, stringy things, Cipher Gauntlet, magic bytes, and HTML. So I'll solve the beginner ones first. Then in this run ELF, anyone knows how to run an ELF file? I bet you could figure it out. So I'll just copy the link. Oops. Increase the size. Okay. CTF, UTCTF, clear, make directory. Cool. And I'll just make a directory for ELF, and we wget it. Wget is a command line utility in which you can download files from the mentioned URL. Okay, John Hammond uses it. I was given this file run. Okay, it's a 64-bit executable file. That means when you when you're in Windows, okay, you have a .exe file which is an executable file, right? So in Linux we have an ELF file which is the executable file. In order to execute, we run dot forward slash and then the name of the executable. Here we have run, but right now we have permission denied because in Linux we have three permissions, that is the read, write, and the execute. Right now in this the that where it should be dash, it should be X. That means the user can execute, but right now we don't have it. So I'll just change the permission for this file. This means that to change the permission of this file run, okay, what this will allow is the user to execute it. Plus means that it enables the run to execute it as a user. ls minus -l, and you can see that we have given the run the permission to execute. And when we do this, see, we can see that ut flag run binary. You can paste it, and yep, here it is. Then we have stringy things. Now where do we find it? Okay, I know there's a string in this binary somewhere. Now where did I leave it? Cool. I'll just check if I can download it. Okay, I can't download it. No worries. cd stringy things clear ls. Yup. Right now we have calc. Let's check what it is. Again, it is an executable file. That means we can execute it. There's no execution permission. But let's see what happens if we give the execution permission and run it. Enter an operator plus two operands plus minus 0 plus 0. Okay, over two operands, right, I didn't pay attention. Plus 1 and 2 and 3.0. Okay, but now the challenge is there's a string in this binary somewhere. Now where did I leave it? Okay, let me tell you that there is a command called strings. Okay, and with that we can check all the strings available in that file or in that file. Okay, now it can be an executable file, text file, even images have like .png files have strings inside them. So it displays printable strings in the file or files, and by default the strings will be printed on your terminal because it is stdin, that means standard input. Cool. Strings, calc, and these are all the strings which were inside that executable file. First, let us just see what all there is. Okay, yup, there's a lot of things. If you look closely, you can see that there already is the strings, but then we will use the string command because it will be easier for us. Strings calc, and then we just go up, 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 and okay, yep, it is here. Now another way to do is if there were many lines of code, okay, I mean not code but many lines, is that we could have grabbed grabbed the input, it grabbed the strings which we want to find. That is, I know that the flag will contain a UT flag, right? So I can just write flag and then UT flag, and here it is, strings is OP. All right, then Cipher Gauntlet. Can you make it through all of the encodings and ciphers? We'll just see secret.txt, cd, okay, cat secret.txt, we already have it. And okay, these look like binaries, right? So what we can do is copy paste it and then open CyberChef. Now that we have CyberChef opened, we'll paste the characters, I mean the binary message here, and from magic, either I can use magic or I can use, no, in fact magic won't say anything, right? It doesn't show because there is a lot of data here. So I'll just use binary from binary, and yep, I'll just zoom in. Okay. Oh, looks like we have another block of text with some sort of special encoding. Can you figure out what this encoding is? Hint, if you look carefully, you'll notice that there is only characters present are A to Z, 0 to 9, and sometimes plus. Let's see if you can, looks like this one. Okay, let's just copy paste it. And right now we have less number of message, so I'll just use magic. Magic, and yep, it says it's base 64. So we'll just go and do favorites from base 64. Cool, new challenge. Can you figure out what's going on here? It looks like the letters are shifted by some constant hint. You might want to start looking up Roman people. Roman people, and was Caesar or Roman? And why am I checking was Caesar or Roman? Because, yep, he was a Roman. Because we have this cipher called as Caesar cipher. Okay, in which we shift the letters, okay, depending on right or left, and we will say if it's shifting +3 -3, that means A will become D if it is +3. Okay, so like that. We'll just open decode.fr. This is like CTF, one of the uh, great CTF tool for our cryptography. And wait, yep, this is the one. Knowing all test combinations. Congratulations, you have finished the beginner cryptography challenge. Here is the flag for your hard efforts. UTCTF, now you're playing with crypto. Thank you. Cryptography, okay, you will find a lot of cryptography is built of this sort of basic knowledge, and it is really not so bad after all. Hope you enjoyed the challenge. Yes, I really did. Cool. And yeah, it's correct. Okay, magic bytes. My friend sent me this text file and said they put a flag inside. I opened it and it doesn't look like a normal text file to me. Maybe you'll be able to find it. We'll copy the link address, clear ls cd ls cd magic bytes, clear ls out.png. Alright, it doesn't work. Cool. I'll just tell you how how initially the out.txt file was. So move out.png to out.txt. Cool. So right now I see if this was the real challenge, I got out.txt, and if I print it out, you can see it makes no sense to me. At least there are a lot of characters which are not printable at all, and there are many of them. So first we check what kind of file is it, because it was mentioned um, that it doesn't look like a normal text file to me. Then maybe let's see what kind of text file it is. And the file command says that it is a PNG image data, and then we need to change the .txt extension to .png because it clearly is a PNG image data. So we use the move command, out.png and ls. Okay, I'll open the file, DaVinciCTF, UT, begin now, magic bytes, out.png. UT flag file extension mean nothing. Yep, this is the flag, and file extensions mean nothing. Cool. Then we have HTML. I hid a flag somewhere in the code of UTCTF website. Can you find it? Yup. Okay, let's just do flag. It's not there. No. Okay. So we open the developers tab using more tools, and then developers tools. Okay. Control Shift I, and then we check. So rather than opening all of this, okay, we found it, right? Rather than opening, okay, you can also do maybe flag, okay, and then you just go through it, and then yep, you will find it here. I mean, it's your option. That it's up to you if you want to keep opening it first, or then rather than that, just search for it. Yep, so you found me. Cool. Okay, so we're done with the beginner challenges. I'll just show you these many challenges only because I didn't get sizzling bacon and various vernacular. I'll um, check the write-ups and learn from it. Now I'll show you the miscellaneous one, emoji encryption. Okay, so in emoji encryption, came up with this new rad emoji encryption. Bet no one can break it. Okay, I'll just copy paste and then search for emoji encryption decoder. Right. When we check that, there's this emoji cipher, Morse code with emojis. Then, so I love you encodes to this. So we want to decode, and here it is. But if you actually check, there's this thing called short, long, and space. I don't know where the space is or which one is space. Like suppose if the elephant is the space, but still it doesn't make sense because there has to be only three emojis. We don't get that, and so we decrypt it and we get nothing. Okay, somehow this doesn't work. Okay, however the site uses. Okay, the site is down. Cool, no worries. Now, okay, now how I solved this was like I checked for Morse code. I mean, sorry, the emojis. How to check for emojis encryption decoder. Okay, and then I thought of it because each and every flag has UT flag, right? So what if we had UT flag, then something? So this is there, and here we also have it. And if you closely look, UT. So right now we have U as an umbrella. T is the hen. I don't know, or I don't know what it is, but it looks like a hen to me, but it's not H. Okay. Then for F we have fire. Then for L we have lion. For A we have apple, and for G we have guitar. So clearly it makes sense that this is matching, right? So elephant, mango, onion, circus, ice, fire, bomb, elephant, volcano, elephant, rainbow, sun, apple. Okay, so this was T, ice, lion, and elephant. Immersive, be versatile, but again, it doesn't make any sense. So I did a bit of hit and trial, and then I got it. Wait, why is this F? Sun, right? So emojis, and this emoji here is actually a joker, and then we get the flag. All right. Now we come to the web part of it, which is Oinker, Sourceit, and Cutest cookie clicker rip off. More private alternative to Twitter. Okay. Write and post your oink, then share the secret link to your friends. SDS. Oink, oink, oinks. Okay. ESD. Oink ESD. Okay. And let's check if we have anything. Flag. No flag. Okay. Now, how I approached this was I was changing the URL. So right now it was 103, right? I took it to the half, that means 51. Let's try with 51. 1. Okay. Um, I think it says 1. Testing oink. So this basically means that we can play with this and maybe get it. Um, okay, I'm not gonna waste much time, but I was just keeping manually doing this instead of thinking that I could have done automated using bash or python. But I kept doing it, and then I kept decreasing the number in the URL, and then I reached it to 2 and then found the flag. So that's how my method of solving this challenge was. I know I could have used bash scripting in order to curl the website and then check and then use grep on it, then check where is the flag, but I didn't do that. I should have. And this is the flag. Source it. Can you see how this page handles authentication? Cool. And let's just see Cloudflare. I've implemented an interesting form of security. Let's take a look. Is like access privileges. Maybe admin or password, incorrect password. Oh, root. Cool. That means in admin it is there. This need incorrect password. Now since it says source it, I'll go and check out its source. Return check password this. Enter username. Enter password. You have anything called flag? Nope. Okay, let's see some function. Function check password. This looks interesting. This is CSS. Okay. Function check password form. This is the form then. Name form dot name dot value var username admin var hash. Then it is checking for hash password. That means it is hashing this. And if password is empty, please enter password. If username is not equal to name, like access privileges. That is why if it was not admin, then it said I lacked password. I mean admin privileges access. Let's say it's admin1, and yeah, okay. And if username okay, and if I had no password, it says please enter password. Okay, hash. Else if hash is not equal to the hash password, means your answer is incorrect. Else access granted. Now I want to reach here. All I'm liking is to make hash equal to hash password. So this is the hash, and I want that whatever password I give, okay, and using this function cryptojs.md5, it has to hash that, and if my password's hash value is equal to this hash value, then it will grant access, right? Means it will not get inside this else if statement, it will get directly to else. That means I need to check, okay, I need to check what hash this is. And if you see, it says MD5, and we'll just go check hash crack decoder. Cool. This is the first website, and I am not a robot. Chimneys. Okay, crack hashes. And yeah, this hash means share lock, and it is indeed MD5 hash type. So we'll just go share lock. Okay, share lock. So admin share lock. Cool. Been there, sourced that. So this is the flag. Wow, we saw this. Now Cutest cookie clicker ripoff. I built this awesome game based off a cookie clicker, bet you'll never beat my high score. Let's just check it out. Time remaining. Okay, so if I click elsewhere, nothing happens. If I click on the cookie, my score increases, and I need to beat the high score, right? Beat the high score. So I'm trying to keep clicking, and tough luck, no flag for you. Better luck next time. Okay, so let's check the things in here. So something. Okay, it's just this. This is, I don't know what. Sources, network, performance, memory, application. Okay, this is something interesting, right? Because what we see here is name high score. That means most probably this. Okay, then the value is 38. Okay, expires after that. Then let's just check, maybe 999999. Let's just check if it's higher than that and load the website. Okay, now this is the best, and I have 30 seconds remaining. Okay, we're back, and let's see if it will give the flag. Congrats, the flag is UT flag. Num num cookies are, yeah. Okay, so basically in this challenge we had to make sure that our best is higher than the high score of this particular person, right? And when we checked the cache, sorry, the cookie, so we saw that we can manipulate it, right? So we increased our best than this high score using by changing the value of the cookie called high score. And yeah, that's how we did it. Cool, that's all I could do. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have any questions, please do ask in the comment section. And yeah, feedbacks are appreciated. Take care and bye.